Hey guys, it's me Anthony. Hey, alright. Hey guys, I just wanted to say I finally found one way to get rich, and it's legit. Like, there's no other, like, nothing messing with it, and it's called investing. And you basically like buy shares and stocks on this app I use called Public, which has like all these apps, these store companies and everything. You want to like buy in, and they can pay you back depending on how they do, which is basically like day trading, but like it's not using any money. You just buy something and that's it, and then a few weeks later you get paid. So I just found that out, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it is after this intro. And yeah, like if anything I put down, please look down because it might be something you need, like Public the website or anything. But yeah, guys, you can officially, as far as I know, because I got $1 in withdrawal. You can get paid from Publix by buying other businesses. But if it depends how they're doing, like business wise, and you get more, and if it gets bad, then you get less. But yeah, guys, this new app, Public, I'm gonna try like crazy because I didn't know you can get money from it, but now I know. But there's a lot of stuff I gotta mess with to get it. But yeah, you guys get paid, and the more you buy, the more money you make, revenue wise, monthly. So check it out. I'm gonna go to the video to show you it, and yeah, that's about it. If anything crazy you want to know or something extra, just links below. If anything, guys, I'll probably put something there. I don't know, but yeah, this is one way we can get rich that I finally found, and it's called Publix. Public. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Pull out. Peace. Hey guys. Hey guys. It's me, Anthony. The Bull. Um, So yeah, guys, we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you the Public app and everything that like you can get rich and stuff. But it won't. By rich, I mean like you gotta. It won't happen in a night, one day or anything. It takes time to pursue it. But depending how much money and stocks you get, I imagine you could actually, believe it or not, get a lot of money to be rich. But it's gonna cost a lot of money to get to it. But yeah, like it is and it ain't. But yeah, let me show you the app that I'm talking about, and show you my results on it. I got some stuff on it, mine's. Um, and yeah, let me show you. It's called Public, so let me look for it for you guys. Hold on. It's right here. This blue little dot white thing. Publix. I'm gonna move it over here so I can get to it. And yeah, this is it right here. Um, it tells you some stuff like, and I'm just a beginner on this guy, just so you know. I might be wrong or right, but I imagine I'm right because I know a lot of stuff about tech stuff and stuff. But yeah, like this is the app that will make you like a lot of money and for just buying stuff and then letting it sit for a while. And if it does good on the market, then it boosts up, and yeah, you get paid for it. But you have to get certain dividends, which is the thing in it that I'm doing. I don't know if you need to, but yeah. Anyways, after that, let's get to this app. I'll show you guys. All right, Public. Here we go. As you can see, this is my thing. I'm down on one of my shares with Disney, and there's also Apple. I haven't got it. There's some stuff on people talking about what's happening in the market in the world to buy and sell. I got this search button right here that I can look for many of them. There's like AMC, Disney, Coinbase. Look, all these. The green one means it's going up. The red one means it's going down. And yeah, you just buy these for like not even like $1 or two or something like that. But I imagine it's like 25 around there. I don't know. I mean, let me see. Hold on. Tyson Foods invest. It costs $2. Oh man, this is a gold mine right here, guys. You gotta take this like crazy. But I'm trying it right now. I'm hoping this works because I'm trying to get rich. I don't want to be poor my whole life, you know. Trying to help the family and everything. But yeah, like this is my profile right here. I got a 291 right now. Whatever that is. Cash balance is 2. Buying power is 2. There's Disney. There's Apple. There's this thing you want to put money into it. Deposit or link. Link is for like link your bank. You gotta have like a bank card to put into it. And then you can, yeah, that's it. You just need a bank card and like Chime or something you can pick up at a CVS or Walgreens, and you just go off with it, you know. Trying to see my thing. Hold on, let me show you where I got money. Like, see, I got 291 right now on that stock. I got cash $2. So this is my buying power. So buying power is $2 now, and it says deposit funds with, and this is the one we want to go to, the withdraw cash. The other one's put money in it, but let's see. Um, looks like I have like a $1 pending, and pending deposit nothing. But I did this earlier, and on the where you see withdraw cash, um, I only had like $1 on there, so I took it to just mess with it, and it actually worked. I actually got money to my bank, which was like $1 after all those guys I invested, which is only like 4 things I invested in, and I didn't really do anything. So I don't know. I made money off of it, you know. But it's the fact that it's so cheap that you can duplicate it, and then it'll build up over time, you know. And but yeah, it's for anybody's old, what, young and stuff. This is it. Like, get your money, invest into this stuff. You know, things are getting, technology these days is helping. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I wanted to show you this. Um, I'll talk to you guys later. I know it's been a while, but been unmotivated lately. But I'm still here. But yeah, find me on my Facebook if anything. I'm always on there at the Bull. All right. All right. Peace out, Bulls. Peace out, Bull Nation. Peace.